Roland Barthes, French essayist, author, critic, philosopher, and all-round smart guy. Barthes was born in Normandy in 1915 and went on to write a number of seminal texts across a range of different fields during his life, such as mythologies and death of the author. But you're not here for that, you're here for this. Barthes' 1980 musings on photography, camera lucida. Now this book is often cited as being one of the most influential and unique pieces ever written on photography, with the subjective nature of its writing style allowing Barthes to explore how the art form relates to memory, death, emotions, amongst a whole host of other things, all found in this eloquently delivered little book. But who's got time to read all that, eh? That's where this video comes in. So Barthes considered photography an uncertain art, with some pieces sparking tiny jubilations within him, yet many others leaving the author completely indifferent. Barthes deemed the widely subjective spectrum of reaction a viewer can have to a photo much too broad to be limited to simply an I like, I don't like response.
Instead, Barthes defined the subjective way one can have a certain attraction to a photograph as affect, a term which encompasses the desire, repulsion, nostalgia, or euphoria that can occur within when in the presence of a particularly engaging photograph. Punctum is the term used to describe the points in an image that reach out and pierce the viewer, affecting them and ensuring the image stays with the spectator.
The punctum of an image can be different for everyone, with Barthes using the example of this photograph, indicating that anything from the corpse's one bare foot, the sheet the woman is holding, or the handkerchief being used in the background can rise from the image and indent itself into the viewer, causing effect by eliciting an emotional response unique to every person who sees it. Duality within an image can also pierce the viewer, as Barthes explains using this photograph from Nicaragua, 1979, with the point of effect here deriving from the co-presence of two discontinuous elements, the nuns and the soldiers, heterogeneous in that they do not belong in the same world, with this kind of stark duality affecting Barthes from the photograph and making him much more aware of the image's existence. That being said, a photo doesn't necessarily have to be a professionally shot piece of art to affect its viewer. The punctum can rise from much more mundane images too, such as this, with the punctum here possibly deriving from the duality created by the contrast between the healthy contents of the fruit bowl on one side of the image and the excess of a Christmas dinner on the other, whereas other viewers may be drawn to the bright pink of the jumper in the middle, displayed here in all its colourful glory by this captivating model, me. Okay, that's it. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, like and share? Thanks. Bye.